The emergency alert system has interrupted regular broadcasting for an emergency notification. Stay to this channel for further instructions by the United States government and other safety policies. In California at 9 a.m. Pacific time, the sky was extremely bright, resulting in 26 people becoming blind. This occurred in the following counties. This happened in Monterey, San Benito, Santa Cruz, Santa Clara, San Mateo, and San Francisco. It has been a rumor that it also happened in San Luis Obispo and Alameda, but it wasn't a true statement. The light is not very hot, so you don't have to wear excessive skin protection, but this rule only stands as of right now, which is May 10th, 2020. This rule is to wear eye protection or use anything to deflect huge amounts of light. Make sure to close your windows with curtains or any other sources you have. These are the only rules as of right now. But if you want necessary equipment delivered, call 911 to receive supplies until the sky neutralizes.
An emergency notification has been broadcasted from San Benito, Kings, Fresno, Madera, Santa Clara, Merced, Santa Cruz, San Mateo, San Francisco, Alameda, Contra Costa, Mariposa, Tuolumne and Mono, California, and in Nevada, it's in Douglas, Iron and Mineral. 2 days ago, at 9 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, the sky became a white neon bright color that resulted in 26 people becoming blind. Later, the same thing struck more counties and some structures even became white, such as, but are not limited to, apartments, restaurants, suburban houses and alleyways. But whatever you do, do not. I repeat, do not look at the sky without eye protection. It could cause serious eye strain. But the light isn't very hot. Scientists believe it's about 60 degrees Fahrenheit. Cover windows with any covers like curtains. And contact 911 if you prefer to receive supplies like non-perishable food, water and medical supplies by delivery.